Bob and Adrian from the future. The Lexus is sort of finished, not really, but it's been used for a while, as you can see by the amount of stuff on it. Yeah. Anyways, we didn't manage to finish the videos last time because when we went to eat, then a lot of stuff had happened. We've got millions Lexuses outside to build, and other cars too. Just don't tell anyone. But yeah, up to speed with what's happening here.
So last time we left you off after we fitted the turbo in, we fitted the intercooler, we did modifications to the bumper for said intercooler. We moved the power steering radiator so it can actually fit in the sandwich instead of removing it like some people do. Well, now what we have to do is finish the plumbing for the turbo. So finish up all the oil lines, finish all the intercooler piping, and Bob had to do his magic wizardry with the wires to make the car accept boost. So we're gonna cut into doing intercooler piping.
We've got a fuel card defender in. It's just because it caps the voltage from the map sensor. It caps the voltage of the map sensor. Basically to fool the engine that there's no boost in there and everything's handy dandy. Yeah. Great.
So we are not going to bore you with details of that because this is not really that kind of video. If you haven't caught it, it's not really a tutorial. It's just showing kind of what we do and how we do it. If you want to know more, we'll put relevant links in the description down below. This time I will remember, I swear. So instead of boring you with half an hour of footage of Bob playing with the wires, which is
just not great.
Very technically minded but not great to watch, let's move on to the gauges.
Hey, live fast, pet dogs.
Whoops, I forgot to mention that first we filled the car up with fluids and had a cheeky first start. Excuse the inaccuracy, we make those videos after hours, and sometimes things can get a bit crazy.
Yep.
Hyper Adrian Coffee. Boom.
Yes. So this is the story so far of the Lexus. It's done, it's on the road, it's boosted, it's making all the noises. And question everyone's been asking, how much power we're making?
Yeah, so 8 psi spring, we're aiming about 220, 230, not much, but this is only because Matt's getting used to it, as simple as.
Also insurance is a factor in
Yeah,
these
but
things.
he got to the point that he can run 300 and insurance would be okay with this.
But it's a case of
Just don't tell him yet.
it's a case of keeping it steady. The turbo we're running is a copy of TD05.
TD04.
TD04, sorry. Yes, if you have any questions, you've noticed in below, put them in the comments down below. We'll make a dedicated Q&A video about boosted ISs in general, because we have this turbo one, there is a supercharged one outside, and
Good
they're
options.
all nice and dandy. Hello, Ada.
Okay.
Do we cut?
And probably a cut that. And next things are.
Yeah, the car is in the shop for a good reason. The story doesn't end here. We've shown you our gauge installation. For now, it's temporary. So here's a nicely 3D printed item from
Plamen needs of. Sorry, Amada, I've probably butchered your name, but the IS community is really thankful for this model.
so that. And also, not sure if we got the right
Yeah, but that's the rear one. But
that's the rear one. But
tell him.
this week is getting full wide body along with a TTE kit, which we will not show because it's not painted and it's ugly.
So one day you'll see it. Anyways,
You'll see in the next video about the IS.
all of that in the next episode of like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Next video will be sooner
He
than
had a
3 months.
coffee and he's a bit hyper, so
Yeah.
Adrian.
Really?
Yeah, Adrian's like, yeah.
This is going in the outtakes.
Fuck. Hey, anyway.